The following is a demonstration of Reed's HPC12 Guillotine Cutter. Reed's guillotine cutters come in 4 models. HPC4 for 2-inch to 4-inch pipe, HPC8 for 3-inch to 8-inch pipe. The HPC8TN is designed specifically to cut without deforming or crushing thin wall pipe. The wheels on the base are crucial to success in thin wall pipe slicing. The model being demonstrated in this video is the HPC12 for 4-inch to 12-inch pipe. Start by retracting or lifting the upper yoke and blade assembly to the top position by turning the handle counterclockwise. When the upper yoke and blade assembly is fully retracted to the top of the tool, remove the hinge pin from the bottom yoke assembly. Open the bottom yoke assembly and place the tool onto the pipe. Place the blade where you want the cut to be made. Replace the hinge pin into the lower yoke assembly. For a clean, straight cut, it's recommended that the pipe is centered in the lower yoke assembly and the tool is perpendicular to the pipe. Turn the handle clockwise to feed the blade down until the lower yoke assembly makes contact with the bottom of the pipe. Begin making the cut by turning the handle clockwise. The cutting process can be made quicker and easier by using 2 people to turn the handle. Continue turning until the blade completely cuts through the pipe. This concludes the demonstration of Reed's HPC12 Guillotine Cutter. For more information on this product or any of Reed's quality pipe tools and vices, visit www.reedmfgco.com.